This one is a Chevrolet Spark 2015. So we have the concern is engine cranking but not starting. So we need to verify and duplicate customer concern. First, we need to put the key in the ignition key and make it on. After that, we need to start the engine and verify the concern. So the engine was cranking but not starting. After verify, I found out that there's a DTC. DTC is the P0171 fuel trim. First, we need to check the engine compartment first for any damage. Next, we need to check the throttle body, the intake air control valve for any damage or any connectors removed. Next, we need to check the port solenoid valve. When checking the port solenoid valve, we need to remove it and apply small amount of air, or you can blow it through your mouth. If the air was escaped, both sides you need to replace it. It can cause fuel trim and set check engine DTC. This is the fuel pump assembly, the main problem why the engine was cranking but not starting. So first, we need to remove the hose pipe, then the connector of the fuel pump. Then after that, we need to use the special tools for removing. So this one. So after removing, so we need to remove the cover of the fuel pump. So this is the cover. Then after removing, so we need to remove the fuel pump assembly. After removing the fuel pump assembly, so there is the old one and the new one. So we need to replace the old one to new one. So after that, we need to install the new one, then connect the hose pipe, then the connectors. After installing the fuel pump assembly, we need to verify it, then check it for the customer concern. So here we go, we ignition on, then verify. So the concern is now okay. So the main issue is the fuel pump assembly, which is maybe malfunction or not working, or there's no build up pressure inside the fuel pump. So that's why engine was not starting.